Hey everybody, Trey here from Trey Designs. You may know me from the Vineyard Chicks, and if you don't, come visit our homestead in music. I also love technology and art, and that's what you'll find here. So thanks for being here, and if you like my content, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Mr. Randy at the Jacobs Triangle Homestead is a really, really nice man. He comments on all of my videos, and he's really nice. Now, his channel is the Jacobs Triangle Homestead, and I'll leave a link in the description if you could go over and subscribe. He does a lot of things. He's working on his RV. He's pretty much building his own house. He's going to be in Shed Wars 22. And he's just a really, really nice person. He always leaves super nice comments on my videos, and he's a really great friend. So if you could please go into the description and go to his channel and subscribe and check out his videos and leave some nice comments, tell him that Trey sent you.